Are you working in a creative field and finding yourself up against creative blocks once in a while? Maybe you're someone who hasn't painted in years and you're just looking for a way to ease back in. Or perhaps you are a painter and you're stuck, looking for a nudge in a new direction. If you are any one of these people, this class is for you. Here you will have the opportunity to let go of expectations, old patterns of working, fear of getting it right, and the anxiety of trying to create something new. In this class, I'm going to lead you back to your inner child. For me, the best way to do this is to play. So today we're going to play with color. As a child, I was obsessed with playing with those swatches you get from the paint store for house paint. Then, as a graphic designer, the obsession moved to Pantone swatches. Well, I'm still obsessed, and now I can't get enough of painting Kandinsky circles. I have done it dozens of times, and the results are never the same. It always offers up surprise after surprise and plenty of bliss. My name is Barb Fyvie, and I'm an abstract painter living in Canmore, Canada. I believe in working on many paintings at the same time. In this class, I will talk about the power of working in multiples when it comes to making creative breakthroughs. In my work, I focus on elliptical imagery, so I'm going to introduce you to the magic of painting concentric circles. We're going to look at 4 strategies to recharge your creative energy and to inspire you through play.